In this video, we are going to see how we can receive a customer advance in Zoho. So the transaction is of 13th of January, which says receive cash in advance from Mr. Albert. Now, Mr. Albert is our customer. Why do you think that a customer will pay you anything in advance? Yes, it will be against a future sales order, or maybe it is an advance against the future sales. So on the same date, on 30th of January, you will notice that we have received the sales order from Mr. Albert against order number 25. And these are the quantities and items that the customer has ordered. So 6720, 2100 and 350. So nearly of 10,000 worth of goods that the customer has ordered. So we have a policy to receive some amount in cash, and then we will start working on their order. So this customer advance is received. Now this customer advance is a liability on us because in future we either have to deliver the goods or we have to return that cash back. So let's see how we can enter this in Zoho. Now it's very simple to enter. What you have to do is just click on the quick create from the top right and just straight away go to the customer payments. Select the customer, which is Mr. Albert. Amount that we have received is 5,000. Would you like to reflect this amount in the payment field? Yes. Date of the receipt is 13th of January. No bank charges is applicable. Payment reference or number is automatically created. Payment mode is cash and we are depositing it in cash. Reference number, you can mention any reference number here. And it is not against any pending invoice. So let's cancel this actually. Leave and discard because we want to do something else. Go to quick create again. Under the sales, we click on customer payments. And as soon as we select Albert, we will not apply it here. We just receive the cash, 5,000. No, we don't want to reflect it. January 13th, cash is received against cash in hand and no amount is settled against the opening invoice. And we can make the notes here. Not visible to the customer, or you can mention any memo here. So all set. When we save this, it will show you this prompt, excess payment. Would you like to store the excess payment of 5,000 as overpayment from this customer? And it says the excess amount will be deposited to unearned revenue. So instead we will change it to what? We will change it to customer advances, which is a liability account. So click on edit and let's keep it to unearned revenue because we cannot customize this. Click on continue to save and it is recorded. What we need to do is just click on these three dots now and click on view journal. So unearned revenue or customer advances is credit as a liability and cash in hand is debit. Now what we will do is just go to the accountant and click on chart of accounts and locate this unearned revenue. We can also sort it by account name so it's easier to find. Unearned revenue is recorded as other current liability. So this is perfect. Just we have to change the name to customer advances. So click here, click on edit, and we can change this name to customer advances, which is recorded as a other current liability. Click save. And by the way, it's also showing you an example. If you click on edit again, it's showing you that in other current liabilities come the customer deposits as well. So this is a short-term liability. Perfect treatment. It's very easy to deal in Zoho, unlike all the other softwares, and that's the power of this software. It's very easy in interface and it has a lot of options to easily deal with all kind of transactions. And even if we click on this customer again and against Albert, we have booked that customer advance, right? So let's go to actually the payment receipts. So this is the amount that we have received. Click here. And if we now check the journal entry effect, you will see that this is the perfect treatment. Customer advances is credit as a liability and cash in hand is debit. So that's how easily you can deal with the customer advances in Zoho. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.